Cleaning the amp connector. Use the isopropyl alcohol and toothbrush to remove any chemical residue that has adhered to the contacts. Colorado Time System uses 5 volts for our signal path. It does not take too much of a physical impediment to diminish the signal strength. Dip the toothbrush into the alcohol. Remove excess from the toothbrush with a light shake. Brush the amp connector until you see a clean, shiny surface. Repeat this on the amp connector on the back of the timer. By waving your hand over the newly cleaned surface, you will evaporate the excess alcohol.